Easy to take off. Easy to take off. That's for scraping. Okay, now I am going to need like 4 of these, but right now I'm just going to get 2 to show you guys. Now, this is what's going to happen. When I put these pieces together here, okay, what's going to happen is that you're going to see that it looks kind of ugly there, right? So what you want to do, okay, is you want to go ahead and, you know, make it, I'm going to kind of do a little bit of a diagonal cut in here. Just so that we can, see, a little bit of diagonal cut so that we can join the clay and have a nice sharp edge there. And down here too. When you make these little side cuts like this, it makes it easier. Oh, and I see I cut it the wrong way right here. I'm supposed to, oh, but you know what? I'm going to just do this. I'll just do it on the bottom like this. Okay? And then I'll do the same thing over here. Yeah, I did mess up that, but that's okay. We'll do the same thing on this side too. Alright.